Please take your ticket. Please proceed.
Ooh. That's fancy. It talks. Very fancy. This is the main lifts at the Chimes shopping centre in Uxbridge. It's going to be an Otis. Going to go up to 6. Door close button does work like that. It's an Otis 2000 lift. It's been modernised by Grove as an unknown brand. Capacity's 23 persons, 1800 kilos. Built in 2001. We're at 6. Back down to lower ground. It's got Dewhurst buttons on the inside. Used to have Otis buttons. It's had its buttons replaced. It's quite bumpy, this lift. A bit wobbly as well. And we'll finish on UG. This is the lift at Boots in Uxbridge. Capacity is 20 persons or 1500 kilos. Says the capacity on the outside of the lift. Never seen that before. We've got to 1. It used to be an Evans, but it's been modernised by UK. Built in 2001, I think. Maintained by Temple, 2 staff only. Back down to G. It's quite big, this lift. I think we're going up. I think we're going up, I don't know. I think it has gone up. Yes, it has. This is the lift at Next in Uxbridge. It's an Oakland. Capacity's 13 persons, 1000 kilos. It's a bit slow, this lift. And we're stopping at UM. Door close button does not work. Is it going up? Yes, it is. We're at 1. Go back down to LM. I think when it goes up, it automatically stops at the middle floor. but it sounds like the lift is not in good condition. It's a bit slow, this lift. I think built in 2001 as well, but I don't know. Here we are, LM, and that's it. This is the lift at Sports Direct in Uxbridge.
Going up. Please mind the door. Doors closing.
Used to be
Going up.
an Express Evans. It's been modernised by Leicester Stanner. Capacity is 8 persons, 630 kilos. It's got clicky Dewhurst, which is nice. That's just a box standard Leicester. It's hydraulic.
Floor
There's the
1.
original Express Evans. Here we are, 2.
Doors opening.
This door.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down. Floor 0. Doors.
This is the lift at W.H. Smith in
Going up.
Uxbridge.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
It's an aspect lift
Going up.
with Leicester controls. Capacity is 13 persons, 975 kilos. Used to be an unknown.
Floor 1.
Here we are, 1.
Doors going down. Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going down.
Aspect. It's got Leicester controls. It's
Ground
box
floor.
standard. Only good thing is the buttons.
Doors
And that's
open.
it. This is the lift at Primark in Uxbridge. It's going to be a Keighleys disc. We're going to go up to 1. Door close button does work like that. Capacity is 26 persons, 2,000 kilos. Year made 2017. We're at 1. Go back down to G. It's a Keighleys disc. We are back at G, and that's it.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing. Going up.
Capacity is 14 persons, 1,100 kilos. It's an unknown Leicester lift, and it used to be possibly an express.
Doors open.
Back down to G.
Going down. Ground floor.
This is the lift at Chimes Car Park in Uxbridge. Used to be a Benny. It's been modernised with generic with Thames Valley. It's got clicky Dewhurst. We're going to go up to 4.
Doors closing.
Door close button does work like that. Capacity is 8 persons, 630 kilos. Used to be a Benny, it's been modernised to an unknown with Thames Valley.
3rd floor.
We're stopping at 3.
Doors
Back down to
closing.
G then. I think 4th floor is shut.
Ground floor.
Well, that's odd. There's 2 threes. That's a bit weird. Anyway, that's it. This is the lift at Marks and Spencer in Uxbridge. This used to be a Furs.
Doors closing.
It's been replaced with a Jackson with Stentergate. Capacity is 14 persons, 1100 kilos.
First floor.
Back down to G.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Door closes when I press the button. I like that. It's a very nice lift. I think it's actually been refurbished by Jackson.
Ground
We are
floor.
G, and that's it. This is the lift at Wilkinson's in Uxbridge. That looks interesting. We go down to G. It's a German lift. It's a low gauge. It's a low gauge lift. Capacity is 12 persons, 900 kilos. Wow, built in 2004. Says 13 persons, 1600 kilos there, isn't it? That's a bit weird. Go back up to 1. There goes the door. It's a hydraulic. Wow, this is a nice find. Here we are at 1. And that's it. This is the lift at the Chimes Car Park in Uxbridge. It used to be a Benny. It's been modernised by Access with TVC. Capacity is 13 persons, 975 kilos. Noise is coming from outside, I think. Yeah. Back down to G. Wow, that's loud.
Doors opening. Doors closing.
Modernised by Access. It's got Thames Valley. This is the Grange's car park lift. We are at G, and that's it. This is the main lifts at Pavilion Shopping Centre in Uxbridge. It's this one. We're going to go up to 3.
Doors about to close. Lift going up. First floor. Doors about to close. Lift going up. Doors about to close. Lift going down. Ground floor.
I'm going to go back up to 3.
Doors about to close.
This is the same lift. It's a set of 2 lifts.
Lift going up.
They're quite busy. These are old Keighleys. Capacity 16 persons, 1250 kilos. I think it's hydraulic as well. high hydraulic current, say. Back down to G.
Preparing to depart. Doors about to close. Down.
Very nice lifts here. It's got rest, enter gate, voices.
Ground floor.
We're at G. And that's it. Approved. There we go. There's the ticket.
Thank you and goodbye.
And no receipt. Open. Oh, it opened. It's got ANPR.